Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Wednesday, November 25th. We saw a seasonable low of 36 degrees here at Wallops this morning. Currently seeing some scattered broken clouds near 3,000 feet or so, as well as some thick upper level cirrus. We're going to continue to see some broken to overcast cirrus cloudiness throughout the day, and then seeing clouds increase once we get later into tonight, with rain expected throughout tomorrow. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the area, high pressure is still in control this morning across the region. We are starting to see that high shift east of the area, which will promote a south to southwesterly flow, which will increase later this morning into the afternoon ahead of our next weather system expected to bring us rain tomorrow. We are going to be seeing a more mild air mass start to be ushered into the region as we go into today and into tonight ahead of this system, and then possibly even seeing a slight chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow morning with this system, which is expected to bring us rain for our Thanksgiving. Taking a look at our satellite across the region, you see abundant upper level cloudiness streaming across the entire mid-Atlantic region, and that's really going to be the case today. Going to be seeing similar sky conditions that we are seeing right now throughout the workday. Currently seeing broken clouds at 3,000 feet, broken at 25,000. Light winds out of the southwest right now, but those will pick up later. Temperature of 46 degrees. Taking a look at our forecast for today, we are expecting a high in the low 60s late this morning and into the early afternoon. Southwesterly winds will increase late this morning to 8 to 13 knots and a little bit gusty, and then continuing into the early afternoon, and they're going to shift southerly, perhaps even lightening up a bit towards mid-afternoon briefly before increasing once again around 8 to 13 knots by the late afternoon, and then continuing to be around 8 to 13 knots and slightly gustier so throughout the overnight hours, and then with winds increasing near sunrise tomorrow morning as we get those showers increasing across the area. Should remain dry through midnight, and then maybe a chance of a sprinkle or a light shower between midnight and 4 a.m. and then rain chances will be increasing as we get towards the mid-morning tomorrow, with rain becoming likely by the mid to late morning hours for our Thanksgiving. We are expecting a very mild low tonight of around 54 degrees or so, and the temperatures will be rising overnight with that southerly flow increasing ahead of that front that's going to be bringing us rain. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, like I said, going to be seeing similar sky conditions like we're seeing right now throughout much of the day, broken near 3,000 or 4,000 feet with some broken to perhaps overcast cirrus cloudiness, then continuing to see some broken clouds as we go toward this evening, and then a few to scatter near 1,000 feet developing. We'll see some mid-level clouds develop as that front approaches the area, and then becoming overcast at around 12,000 feet or so by the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, and overcast at around 6,000 feet during the showers, and then by sunrise tomorrow seeing broken near 1,000 feet, broken at 2,000, overcast at 6,000, perhaps lower than that if we get into any moderate shower activity. So for, let's take a look at short-term weather model here. This is going into this evening. We'll start to see that front approach the area, bringing some rain to mainland Virginia. This is midnight, and we could see some isolated showers between midnight and 4 a.m. like I had mentioned, and as we get towards 8 a.m., which is this time period, we'll start to see showers really increase across the region, especially just north of the region, and then rain will become likely by the late morning hours of tomorrow. So for tomorrow, expect cloudy skies with scattered showers, very slight chance of a thunderstorm mainly before noon. It's going to be very mild with a high of 68. Thursday night, expect mostly cloudy skies to continue, just a very slight chance of a sprinkle early with a low of 49. And then we might still have a little bit of energy moving through the area Friday. We could bring just a very slight chance of a sprinkle under mostly cloudy skies with a high of 63. That will do it for your daily operations weather briefing, and have a great day.